Good morning, and it's Sharon in Sarasota on Longboat Key with Michael Saunders here today, and we're going to be talking about repair receipts under our standard contract. Now, take for example, you filled in all the repair requests, they've all been agreed, and then when do you get the receipts? My thought process is all receipts should be received at least 48 hours before closing. So when you go through the walkthrough, you've got the opportunity to check that the repairs were done, or even to bring along your home inspector. So when you're filling out the repair request, make sure that you ask for the receipts by a certain date and time. And remember, they have to be completed by an appropriately licensed person. If you refer to section 12F in the standard contract, it says all repairs and replacements shall be completed in a good workmanlike manner by an appropriately licensed person in accordance with all requirements of law. So it means if the dishwasher breaks down between you making the offer and closing, then the dishwasher has to be repaired to the working order it was in before. But if something was declared that it wasn't working, you can't ask for it to be repaired. All right, that's my 1 minute that matters today. Give me a minute, I'll tell you something that matters.